Right, so today we're going to do an unbiased, unpaid for review with diamond testers on Amazon. Are these cheap diamond testers for real, or is it a scam? All right, so, well, it was a scam because I bought it on Amazon, and it came, by the way, if you get things like this in a plastic bag that says ready to ship with an LPN, yep, it was used. So it didn't come with the battery. It was supposed to come with a battery. And but it came with its little case. Thank goodness I had 9-volt batteries on hand. It also comes with a stone holder on the side. So if you have like a loose diamond, you can actually place it in here. Thank God it came with that, but I don't really need it. But all right, does it work? And it's a $10. This I don't know if I give you the link in the description below. When you go to buy it, it might be more money, but these generally are being sold by thousands and thousands of Chinese third-party sellers under the names such as Taglethorpe and XYZ brand, but they're all basically the same, and I see them in the $8.99 to $30-something price range, and they're basically all the same. So a lot of people in the reviews were expressing their dissatisfaction with this machine. They were saying, oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. It's because nobody reads directions. All right, so you insert the battery, you slide this cover off, and put your 9-volt battery in. If it doesn't come with it, contact Amazon, which I did. And I said, no, I got a used item, and they're sending me a new one. Although this is working, but I didn't get the battery with it, so I'm not satisfied. They're sending me a free one in exchange for the used one that I received. Somebody's returned because they don't listen to actual instructions. All right, so you turn it on, right? And don't turn the dial. Don't turn the dial up yet. Just wait until it says lamp on, ready, okay. Now on the back, it has a spot for your finger. The heat from your finger is supposed to actually help this to work. It has like a pen point tip. It's like spring loaded if you press down. Then it tells you the certain information here. And so you wait for this lamp to heat up. And you got to have your finger on this contact. A lot of people don't listen to instructions. There we go. Lamp on. And if you touch the metal, if you touch anywhere on the metal, it's going to beep. And so I'm going to show you this actually how it works. All right, so we got rhinestones over here, I know for sure. And you have to have it at 90 degrees up and down. Not like this, but like this. And so we're going to touch it, and I'm going to show you how it works. So you want to dial this up to 4. And their instructions were terrible. So I'm going to dial it up to just about 4. Right there. Okay, see it lines up with the number 4? All right, and you want to put your finger on the contact on the back. Make sure, because if you don't have it there, it's not going to work. And you're going to have to get at this at 90 degrees. Now, it's like playing the game Operation. If you touch the metal, it's going to go bzzz. Now, I know for sure this is not diamonds. If it's diamond, it's going to shoot up into the stratosphere. All right, here we go. You ready? Oh, see, I touched the metal. I touched the metal again. And you see, it's not a diamond. Now, this is an 1890s Art Nouveau ring with a diamond in it. And let's check this one out. Again, 90 degrees. And keep your hand steady, because if you touch the metal, it's going to bzzz. And let's go. Diamond. All right, so a lot of people are like, these don't work. It's trash. It works. Just follow the directions. If you want to buy one of these, put a link in the description beneath the video. If this one sells out of stock, I'll put other ones that are identical to this, just being sold under different Taglethorpe brands. But here we go again. A real diamond. I'm just going to put my hand steady on here. And you can see it's a real diamond. Now, if you touch the metal, watch what happens. Okay, so be careful. You're going to have to hold your hand steady, 90 degrees, touch it right in the center of the cutlet of the diamond, and it'll work. Again, we have our rhinestones. Oops, I touched the metal. And you see it does not read diamond. Okay, so these things do work. You might want to have them on hand if you go to estate sales, thrift stores, and you find jewelry. It might be real diamonds. And the link is in the description beneath this video. And I did not get paid for doing this. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.